Today I'm going to walk you through what Venice AI is, how to use it, and some tips so you get the most out of it. Whether you want to generate images, write text or code, or just have intelligent conversations, Venice has you covered. First off, Venice is a generative AI tool you can run from your browser or mobile device. It uses open source models so it's private and permissionless. That means no account needed for basic usage. And your conversations are stored on Venice's servers. They stay in your browser. You can use it to ask questions, generate text, summarize documents, generate images in different styles, write code, learn new topics, pretty much anything you'd expect from a modern AI assistant. Now go to Venice AI. You can begin using it without signing up, and you can ask it anything you want. For more advanced users, you can upload documents like PDFs for summarizations, adjust system prompts, change the temperature or randomness of the model, and choose more powerful models if you have a pro plan. Also, keep in mind free tier has limits, daily text, image prompts, etc., while the Pro unlocks more features like more prompts, higher quality image, PDF uploads, and safe mode control.